Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it you'll subscribe and you'll want to stick around and hang out and all that stuff. So I have an unboxing or an unbagging for you today, and it's my product review, my PR from Ipsy. So I'm so sorry. Allergies are killing me. I swear I was fine a minute ago, but my voice is still a little off. So I have the $13 glam bag, and I wanted to unbox this today and see what we got. So I'm pretty sure with all the Ipsy bags, they do charge that $1.99 handling fee on top of this. But yeah, this is my PR bag, so I'm not really sure on how that works. But if you guys get the Ipsy Glam bag, go ahead and put what it costs down below so everyone else can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything out. This is the bag. It's like a plastic type of bag, so it's not fabric or anything like that. It's cute. It's summery. And we have a mixture of deluxe samples, and it looks like a full-size item. Let's start with the full-size item. Kismet. So this here is probably a liquid lip. That's what I'm guessing. And if I can open it up, we will see. Ah, there we go. We'll see the color. We shall see. I've been really liking a neutral lip lately, and it's just gloss. I do the sugar exfoliator and then just a gloss, but let's see. Oh, it smells good. The applicator is nice. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, I do like that. Ooh, okay. All right. And it helps that it smells good. All right, next. Wow. First Aid Beauty. Look at how tiny that is. Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Okay. So I'm guessing this is for the eye. And let's see. You gonna snore, Kona? All right. Ooh, it smells almost like plastic. All right, so we've got that. Then what do we have next? BFF. Is this a brow gel? Brow Friends Forever. That's cute. All right, let's open her up. All right, no problems opening the packages today so far. Okay, so let's try this out. That is what the brush looks like. Whoop, I'll just comb my hair with it. Okay, next we have by Kors, and this here says it's a foaming cleanser. Lot 523. I'm not really sure how to look at these expiration dates. It says it's got probiotics in it. There is a seal. I always like getting new cleansers though, so that's fine. The last thing is by Ciate London. It looks like it is one of their Velvet Skin Cream blushes. Let's see. Another cute, tiny little thing. This can't be full size. I mean, maybe it is. Oh, okay, there. That just like popped out. Let's go ahead and, oh, okay. Yeah, very pigmented. There it is there. That's everything in the $13 bag. That's not a bad bag. All right, so we got here the cream blush, the cleanser, the brow gel, the eye cream, and the liquid lip. That's everything that was in the $13 bag. Okay, so you guys tell me, what do you think of my bag? Do you get the Ipsy Glam bag? Have you stopped getting the Ipsy Glam bag? Let me know all that down in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you guys there. And thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. I've got more coming out, so be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And if you're new, tell me something about yourself. Maybe your favorite color. I love you guys so much. I will see you real soon in another video. Bye.